Alright everybody, it's cold and dark. Temperature check is 34 degrees. Time is about 10 to 6. Headed south about 2 hours to collect another piece of World War II equipment. So, enough of this darkness. Let's go. Alright, so this is the little gem that I went to pick up today. I'm not sure if this is a Korean vintage or World War II vintage. Looks a lot like a PE 210 power equipment, 210 generator. It does have a 2-cycle engine. Everything's really tight, meaning bolts aren't super loose. It does have premix, gasoline and oil, and let me just turn it around this way. Maybe we can see that data plate. That's the wiring diagram. Thanks, Andy. Appreciate you hanging on to this thing till I came along. The price was right. Good dude. Good little visit. He told me that he was cleaning out somebody's garage, and this was in there, and the lady said it was her uncle's, and it's in pretty good shape still. Here's an old extension cord, and we can see that it has the twist lock style 2-prong male plug, and it plugs in right there, and you can see that that's the twist lock. And then these two thumb turns, I'll have to get these loose. Oh, that one's loose. It's just for bare wire connection. Yep, looks like I'm gonna need an exhaust manifold gasket, maybe a bolt at the bottom. It's slightly loose, but nothing's broken. And it has exceptional compression. I can't turn it over, but we'll get it home, clean it up, and probably not going to paint it. This light green, lime green color is zinc chromate primer, and it's very effective at combating rust. But anyway, that's it. Fun drive, and to finish it off, I'm here at Papa Pete's Pizza. Probably the best pizza I've had here in Washington State. So, alright, thanks for looking at my watching my short little video, and have a great day. Later. Alright, back home now. I pulled the plug. I'm interested to see if there's spark. Right at the end of my finger is the spark plug, and it's hard to see on the camera. I can't focus in. I can't zoom in any closer, otherwise the little piece of junk camera I have won't focus. But I just spun it over, and I did see spark. So I'm trying to see if I can get this on video. Yep, I don't know if you guys saw that, but it'll run. It needs a bath, a few nuts and bolts here, and fuel system clean out, and some finesse, and it's gonna make smoke.